It looks like Elekworld is still using and stealing our videos. If you remember, on September 14th, I posted a video and I mentioned how Elekworld is stealing our videos. They stole about 6-7 videos from us. They edited the videos, they put their logo in the center of the video, and they put their own music on the video. I contacted Elekworld about 4 months ago to let them know that what they are doing is wrong and to remove our videos. They did not respond, so I made a video about them. I posted a link to the YouTube videos that they had on their Instagram page, and I also posted a link to their Instagram page. Within 2-3 hours, their whole Instagram account was closed down because a lot of people reported them. Now today, somebody in the comments on a recent video that we did a couple of days ago, he mentioned that people are still stealing your videos on Instagram. Look up Susan Elekworld on Instagram, and he posted a few links to our videos. For those of you who did not see the previous videos that we did on Elekworld, that's one of them here. I posted their main Instagram page link, and I posted a link to one of our videos. Now, if you read the comments, their Instagram account is closed and the videos are gone. Elekworld contacted us and they made it seem like they were not aware of what's going on. And I talked about this in part 2 of the video. Now, recently, we got this comment. Let's click on link number 1, link number 2. Okay, that's our video right here. And that's our video right here. And look at this. They have their WhatsApp number here on top of the video. Let's play video number 1. Look at this. They added their own music and they cut parts of the video. That's our video. $2,964 views. They made it seem like this is their video. That's video number 1, and that's video number 2. And look at this, their WhatsApp number on top of the video, and they cut parts of the video, they fast forwarded the video, and they added their own music. It looks like Elekworld did not learn the first time when I posted the video where they lost their Instagram account with about 20,000 followers. Now they are at it again. I'm gonna post a link to Elekworld Instagram page, and I'm also gonna post a link to the 2 videos that I just played. I do not know if they stole other videos from us, but these are the 2 that we have links for. And I want you to do the same thing that you did last time. I want you to report them, so maybe this time they can learn a lesson. I want to give big thanks to Raed Ashi for making us aware that Elekworld is stealing our videos and posting the links. And I want to thank each and every one of you who got involved when I first made a video about them, and for everybody who reported them. We want to do the same thing again, and we just want to put an end to this. So that's it for this video, and I will see you again in the next video.